Today in this video we are going to make beautiful sunflower. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Swing channel. First we are doing middle part of the flower. For that here I am taken brown color 1-inch satin ribbon. Length of the ribbon is 50 centimeters. If you want you can take more length. To prevent the raw edges, here I am giving heat touch up to the edges of the ribbon. Now as shown here, apply glue on the ribbon and give half fold on lengthwise. After completion of folding, give a cut as shown here. Continue this cutting until you reaches the end of the ribbon. Now roll the ribbon with the help of the glue as shown here. Now as shown in the video, give a heat touch up to that raw edges. Now flower center part is completed. For the petals, here I am taken 1-inch yellow color ribbon pieces. Each piece having the length 5.5 centimeters. Number of petals is our choice. Here I am taken approximately 24 petals. Take one piece and give half fold as shown here and hold it with the tweezer. Give a cross cut as shown here. Join that cross cut edges by giving heat touch up. Now other side of the piece, give a fold as shown in the video and hold it with the tweezer. And fix that fold by giving heat touch up. Now one petal is ready. Do the same procedure for other petals like this. Now take the center part of the flower, apply glue on it and stick the each petal as shown in the video. Now take the round base, apply glue on it and stick it to the bottom of the flower. If you like our video, please like it. Please subscribe our channel for more upcoming beautiful videos. If you have any doubts or comments, mention in the comments regarding this video. You can use this flower in various applications like baby frocks or dresses, hair accessories, home decor, brooch pins, etc. As per your wish, you can use it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.